Iowa Governor Kim Reynolds signed a bill into law this morning regulating farmland in the state owned by foreign landowners and added heavier penalties if owners fail to comply with informing state leaders about their land holdings in other U.S. states. Our Local 5's Connor O'Neill has been tracking this story for us. Connor, what power does this now give the state?
Well, Stephanie, this law essentially gives Attorney General Brenna Bird the power to subpoena foreign landowners' financial information and any purchasing agreements when they're believed to be in violation of foreign land ownership regulations. Now, that can happen if landowners living outside the country don't register their additional land holdings outside of Iowa with the state. The governor says this law is meant to protect Iowan farmers.
These policies ensure that Iowa can continue to deter hostile nations from attempting to undermine or co-opt the agricultural dominance Iowa farm families have worked so hard to build.
Each violation now results in a fine of up to 25% of that property's value, a stricter penalty from before, which fined foreign landowners $2,000 per violation for failure to register their land. State leaders also said today this law ultimately aims to keep foreign governments and its entities out of Iowa. Stephanie.
Connor, thank you. The Iowa Supreme Court is set to hear arguments on Thursday over the state fetal heartbeat law. Here in Iowa, abortion is still legal for up to 20 weeks of pregnancy. However, last summer, Governor Reynolds signed a bill banning most abortions after roughly 6 weeks. The law and others like it in other states are known as heartbeat bills because they prohibit abortion once doctors can detect a fetal heartbeat. The law is not currently in effect because a Polk County judge put an injunction on it after it was signed.